Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. Default page also. Now we are going to create the public IP address from the portal. Okay, this is the home page of the Azure public IP address. Create public IP address standard. So we'll give like basic IP. Select the subscription. Same. So we need to provide the resource group also and create. So it will take some time to create a public IP address. And in the third step, we are going to create load balancer also. Once it is created, refresh the page. We will check the status. So deployment is in progress. So once it is deployed succeed, then we can see the public IP address. Yeah. Refresh now. Change the subscription. Yeah, we can see here. Okay. Now go to the home page and search for load balancer. So this is the load balancer. Okay. Let's create a load balancer. Select your subscription and resource group also, and load balancer name load balancer F1. Same public standard and everything. But public IP address we need to use existing one which we have created. So basic IP. Okay. Click on tags review. So it will take some time to create load balancer. Validation is fast. Now click on create. So now initializing deployment is started. Now submitting deployment is started. You can see from the notification window. Now deployment is in progress. Once Azure Balancer deployment is completed, we can see the other options like NAT, inbound routes, health probes, load balancing, rules, everything. Yeah, deployment is done. Now go to the resource. We'll see each and every options here. Everything you can see, right? So front end IPs, back end pools, health probe, load balancing tools, inbound naturals. So inbound naturals we'll discuss in later. Okay. Now we need to configure, right? Backend pools need to be configured. So for that we need to come to the load VM1 and load VM2. Click on networking. Click on network interface. Click on IP configuration, and then click on this IP config one. We need to disassociate. We need to disassociate and then save. So it will take some time. So meanwhile we'll do it on load VM1 also. The networking, network interface, and IP configurations. Click on this and disassociate and save it. So it will take some time to save the network interfaces. So this takes some time. Yeah, now it is done. But this we need to wait. So go to the Azure load balancer. Now we need to check Azure load balancer, right? Load balancer. Yeah, click on here. So we'll select our subscription. Yeah, this is a load balancer. Click on this. Under this, we need to go to the settings section. and click on front-end IP configuration. Now see the IP is generated for the load balancers for front-end IP address. Now click on backend pools, click on add, will provide like backend pool hyphen A and virtual network this one which we have created, and then IP4 only we need to select, and then we need to add virtual machines. Load VM1, load VM2, click on add and then click on add. Okay, once it is done, then we need to go to Health Pro. So here we have completed VM creations, load balancer, IP address, and then we have added backend pool creation. Now we are creating Health Pro. So it will take some time to attach. Wait. So now deployment is in progress. It will take some time to add load VM1 and load VM2 the backend pools. So we'll wait. Still deployment is in progress. So meanwhile we'll go and create health probes also. Click on add health probe. So I think it's same like deep port, interval and the threshold too. Then the same, click on add. The health probe is also successful. Okay. Now go to the load balancing rule. Close this and click on add. Create a rule name. Rule I can give you rule A. Rule A. And front end IP address we need to select. And the port is 80. And backend port is also 80. Backend pool we have created, right? Backend pool A and health pool A, this one. Okay. And then session persistence is none. Everything is disabled and click on add. So now initialize deployment is started. Submitting also started. See the deployment is in progress. Now deployment is succeed. Okay. Now go to the load balance one. Deployment is success now. Now go to the load balancer one and take the load balancer IP address and we'll check index.html. So now load VM1 is getting hitting. So let's open incognito mode. Now load VM2 is loading. So that means the functionality which we have checked is working fine actually. Okay. So in the coming session, we are going to create NAT inbound NAT rules. Inbound NAT rules is nothing but this one. So this one, okay, inbound NAT rules is nothing but this one. If a administrator wants to give load VM1 to the particular developer, the developer doesn't want to log in with the administration clients. So we are going to create a NAT rules for that. So disconnect this because we have disconnected. So NAT rule will be created. So for NAT rule,